Zuppa Toscana Soup. Ingredients: 16 ounces spicy Italian sausage, 8 slices of bacon, half large onion diced, 2-3 cloves of garlic minced, 28 ounces low-sodium chicken broth, 3 cups water, 5 medium russet potatoes thinly sliced, 1 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes optional, salt and pepper optional, 4 cups chopped kale, 1 cup heavy whipping cream, Parmesan cheese. Instructions: brown sausage in a large pot or Dutch oven. Remove sausage with a slotted spoon and set aside. Cut bacon into small pieces. Add bacon to pot and cook until crispy. Stir in chopped onion. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes or until onion is translucent. Stir in minced garlic and cook for 1 minute, stirring frequently. Add chicken broth and water to the pot. Add crushed red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper if desired. Add thinly sliced potatoes, I use a mandoline, and the cooked sausage to the pot and bring to a simmer over medium heat. Continue cooking until potatoes are tender, about 10 minutes. Add the kale to the soup, and simmer for an additional 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Stir in the heavy cream and let heat through. Ladle soup into bowls and serve with Parmesan cheese.